Hello, and welcome to Phys Ed 10. I'm your teacher, Mr. Flores. Right along here, you will see my telephone number, email, if you have any questions. Just going to kind of walk you through the first little bit of Phys Ed 10. If I click here at the Phys Ed 10 intro, 5 big ideas that we're going to try and cover. A course outline, document here, how do I submit an assignment? And it'll walk you through, if you're unfamiliar or new to eBus and new to Moodle, it'll walk you through how to save a file and then upload it so I know that it's marked. Some notes, some learning outcomes, and your first activity, logging your hours, a small 5-question multiple choice question about logging activity hours. If you realize that you don't get a mark that you're satisfied with, you can go back in and redo the test. Now, from here, you have a couple of options. You can click the introductory unit, which will take you to the next one, the next unit, or you can go back here using the breadcrumbs. It'll take you back to the main screen, and there you have it. Next one, the introductory unit. If I click on this and you scroll down, there's an introductory fitness test. It's a simple test of just some fitness things, 6 or 7 different tests. I'll go through, read it, give you some feedback. The next one, about you, not really for marks, just give me some information about you. Are you currently an athlete playing a sport? Or why did you join Phys Ed with eBus? Are you a cross-enrolled student at another school? So just some things that are about you, just gives me some information on who you are and maybe why you are taking this course. So again, after I'm done with that, I'm going to scroll back, and the next one, the healthy living with the boy standing beside the river. Click on that again. I'm going to scroll down, and you'll notice that there's a box here, not available until these things are done. So the last one is a SMART goal setting. So it'll go through and tell you what SMART goal setting is when you read this assignment. And then down here, it asks you to submit a goal that you would like to do. It could be an academic one, could be a fitness one, and then you upload that. I will mark that, and after those 4 things are marked, the rest of the course will open up for you. Okay, so again, if you have any questions as we're moving along through the course, my phone number, email, I'm really good with the email. Sometimes I'm in and out as I work off-site part of the time, but I do respond quite quickly to email. So if you do have some questions, feel free to email me, and if we want to work through and chat, then we'll set up a time that we can discuss some things. If not, send me an email. I'll do my best to answer you. Okay, thank you and welcome to the class.